Now, World Championship sprint hurdles bronze medalist Tyler Mason is hoping to keep the momentum from Tokyo last year into the Commonwealth Games, but there could be at least one hiccup.
Definitely that is one of the aims, but the national championship is clashing with a lot of meets as well, but we're trying to go to Commonwealth, so that is one of the aims this year.
While only having one race under his belt so far, a 100 meters at Velocity Fest in April, the 2014 World Under-20 silver medalist is pacing himself between now and the summer.
I'm discussing with my coach and my agent, so we'll see how the season progress and what decision they will make. Yeah, man, always well. Just me taking it strategic and adjust as we go along.
Now, there's over 100% increase in the number of participating schools for the fourth staging of the Portmore Sports Association Athletics Championship.